I've been often asked, how long does a car accident settlement take? And obviously, every case is different, but as a general rule, the more serious the injury, the longer it takes. For example, if you have what we would call a whiplash or a minor injury, soft tissue meaning that there's no broken bones, there's no herniated discs, you have neck and back pain, but you see a chiropractor or an orthopedic surgeon and you treat for 3, 4 months or so, then that kind of case can settle out in a few months. If you have something more serious, some what we call objective injuries, herniated disc, a torn ligament, things of that nature, your treatment may be longer than a 3 or 4 month period. It may be 6 months to a year. So your case would be that much longer than the smaller injury. And then we have cases with, more catastrophic type injuries that require multiple hospitalizations or surgeries, and your treatment may go on for a year or two, and obviously those cases are going to take a lot longer to settle than the smaller cases. In addition to that, once a case gets resolved in regards to the medical treatment, we have to get the reports in from the doctors and all the bills. We have to submit those to the insurance adjuster. The insurance adjuster then takes his time in regards to evaluating all the medical reports. Then once we get offers in, we don't accept the first offer, so then the negotiation process takes place where we go back and forth with the adjuster, finally get a number. So that can take some time between, the first offer and the last offer. Many times I've heard an adjuster say, that's my bottom line. And, 3 offers later, it really wasn't their bottom line. So the negotiation process can take some time as well. So smaller case, 3 to 6 months. Middle of the road case, about a year or so. More complex injury, 1 or 2 years or even longer, depending on, the seriousness and how many surgeries and hospitalizations, etc. But I hope that gives you a general idea of how long a personal injury case takes to settle.